everybody. Can you see me? Yes, I am here. I am here. There. One sticker man. Pokemon. Yes, another one. This time I went to Barnes and Noble. This little bookstore that likes to sell a bunch of other stuff. But I ain't complaining because I like it. But yes, I went and I picked up a pack of this. Only one, which kind of sucks, but I get it. And then I got this promo, which is cool because I had gotten the other promo from Best Buy. So now I have two. But I'm missing the one that I actually wanted, which was, of course, the game card. But as I was there, they told me, hey, do you want to take this? We also have this available. There was one left, and I said, sure. So I grabbed it. And so now we're going to be opening this. Total of 18 packs in this, and 2 promos, a mat, a deck box. Actually, I should just read what it says here. Duh. So 1 promo, Mega Charizard, 1 promo, Oricorio, yeah. Sleeves, playmat, deck box, metal coin, counter dice, 18 packs, and a code card. So pretty excited. I've never opened an Ultra Premium Collection box, so I'm gonna be doing that now. And it's pretty big, so it's really taking up, you know, the whole frame. But you know, we'll adjust it right now as everything gets pulled away. Hey, did I disappear? Yes, I did, unfortunately. Okay, this goes sideways. All right, still the same size. Whoa, okay, I heard stuff. Let's do this. Maybe let's go down a bit. And there you go. Voila. Wait. Oh wait, slide this off. Why is it backwards? Is this supposed to be like that? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to take this one out because I don't want to. Whatever. I will figure it out. But here's this. Here is plastic, which holds stuff in place. Obviously, it didn't hold it, but then again, it was my fault. But here's a dice. Oh, damn! This is dope. Silver. It literally is a metal coin. Here's a playmat, which is actually really cool. Packs, sleeves, deck box. As a matter of fact, you know what? Okay, let's do this. Let me try to open this first because I do want to show you guys, you know, all this stuff, but I'm trying to make sure that. How do I just slide this out? Oh yeah, you do. Duh. All right. It was actually really simple. Just slide it out, and there you go. There should be 2 promos in there. So let me open this pack, and boom. That looks dope. The Charizard itself looks pretty dope already. This one actually looks nice. Pretty cool. I actually like both of those. I'm gonna take out the packs. We're gonna put them to the sides. We'll take out the box. This, I don't know how much you want to see it, really. It's just, you know, that. But it's really cool. It has some weight to it. It's actually metal as opposed to something that fell over there. This, which is plastic. So that's actually pretty cool. Sleeves are cool too, but I want to get this out because I actually want to put it on here, depending how, damn, it's, okay, let me lay this out like that. Boom, there you go. How does that look? Pretty cool, right? Well, let's open this. There's something inside, which most likely is like a divider. Probably the same image. That's usually how it goes. Let me see. I can open it or what? Alright, sorry, I'm being a little bit of a noob right now. There you go. Alright, there you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Cool. We open it and 2 dividers. One of the same thing and one of this, which is basic. Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. I actually like that. This mat is super, super cool though, man. Really, really dope. I actually like this a lot. But yeah, here's this pack. You know what? I will take it out, leave it there, throw this to the side. Let's take a look at these packs. So it comes with 4 Phantasmal Flames, 4 Destined Rivals. Ignore this one. No, just kidding. Sorry. 4 Destined Rivals. Should be 4 Mega Evolution. 4 Journey Together, and then 2 Surgeon Sparks. I've opened Surgeon Sparks Journey Together before, like quite a good handful of them, and I haven't hit anything, so I don't quite like these. These have done me dirty in the past. Mega Evolution, I have opened a few. Phantasmal Flames, I have opened a few. Haven't really pulled much from either of these, but you know, they're not as bad as these. Destined Rivals, I don't think I've really opened much, but hey, we'll see. Okay, so we have all these packs. I guess let's start with Surgeon Sparks. Let's go from the older stuff, and then we'll get to the newer stuff. We'll see how this does. So let me throw this out over here. Pick up the mess later. So let's go. Let's get started. Oh, what is that? Is that something? Is that finally something good? In a Surgeon Sparks? No, it's probably not. Nope, of course not. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad set, but at least for me, hasn't been great. So I'll just keep going. Oh, okay. Is that good? Is that actually good? It looks like it is good. Wait, it is. It's 2 stars. This is an SIR, right? This should be good. Okay. I'm gonna put you on the side, but I will do this first. I'm gonna throw it in a sleeve because I have some sleeves with me this time. Last video I didn't, but this one I was prepared. There you go. Cool. All right. It seems like that might have been something good. Actually, was Journey Together older or Surgeon Sparks? I don't know. We'll just continue with this one. Yeah, you know what? I think Journey Together was an older set. Whatever. Put those there. All right, let's keep going. Let's see if we can continue pulling some stuff. That'd be kind of cool, man. I really wanna. Well, obviously everybody wants to hit something big, but you know. Not everybody hits big all the time, but when you do, it is awesome. And I can tell you that from experience, and I just want to keep that going because it feels great. Belly bolt. I think this is like a double rare. I mean, I guess it technically is like a hit or whatever, but it's nothing too big. Although I do have this one. Damn it, I don't have it with me. It's in the other room, but I do have the Ionos Belly Bolt SIR from Ascended Heroes, and that one is really, really nice. So, getting this one's like whatever, but the other one is really nice. That's for sure. Noivern. All right, let's keep going. Well, done with that. I guess the next thing is Destined Rivals. That's the next set. So let's keep going. Primate, Diplet, Electrite. No, I'm not gonna start reading them all because there's way too many. I have this one too also. I pulled it from Ascended Heroes. Nice one. Full art, like illustration rare one. So kind of cool. I like that. Hey, sandwich. That looks good. Oops. Quilava. Chingling. Roserade. Okay. Destined Rivals. Man. What's going on? I need some more hits, bro. Alright. Last pack. Destined Rivals. Come on. Come on. Dondozo. EX. Nothing. I mean, I guess you could call that a hit, but not a hit for me. Okay, Mega Evolution. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how Mega Evolution is. I'm gonna put this over here. So I can build another stack here. Bulbasaur. Oh, this one's dope. Houndstone. Wally's Compassion, Compassion. Alakazam. Nice. Alright. Next one. Gardevoir. Wouldn't that be dope if I hit that? Man. I would not mind getting a Gardevoir. But that is not happening. Or at least not yet. Okay. Oh, that was nice. Not the Gardevoir, but still nice. Alright, last pack of Mega Evolution. Haven't got anything. Double Celebi. Kyogre. Mega Camerupt. Well, I guess technically we can say that is a hit, but it's probably not a big hit, but there it is. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, these cards look dope, but I don't know, I guess some of them just don't have much value. But if you're a collector and you want to collect them, that's cool because you can easily get them. But, you know, obviously those look cool, but the illustration rares or the SIRs are definitely better. Oh, Punk helmet. I should be wearing this. I'm a punk. Wow, that looks dope. Look at that. And that has, I'm assuming this is some type of rare, but it has the 2 stars. They're silver. It looks nice. All right, let me put a sleeve on that one because that one looks really dope. What a punk, huh? Okay. Well, let's keep going. Oh, Mimikyu. Hell yeah, that's my boy right here. I love Mimikyu. All right. Charmeleon. Oh, nice. And Assassin. Piplup. Nice. Nice. Put it in the sleeve. There you go. Look at that. Looks nice. Put it to the side. Let's keep going, guys. We're almost done. Last one from this set, obviously. All right, come on. What do you got? What do you got for me? Nothing. Oh wait, Megalopony. That is something. Again, looks really dope, but you know, I guess technically it's not like, you know. I'll put it in the sleeve though because it looks really nice. And you know what? I'll put this guy too. This camel guy. I'll put him in the sleeve too. All right. Get the camera. All right, so off the box. Wait, you know what? I just realized. I didn't put Mega Charizard in the sleeve. Or Oricorio. Alright. There you go. So this is pretty much everything we get. Or what I got. Not everybody. Although everybody gets these. But in addition to these two, I got the Megalopony, Mega Camerupt, Piplup, Punk Helmet, and this Alolan Executor, which looks pretty cool. But I mean, I don't know how much this guy is. It seems like this one might be worth something, although it might not. How do you think I did with these as far as the box goes? We still technically have the new one, perfect order. So let's just finish this up. We'll see if there's anything here. Meowth. That's right. Okay, Meowth. All right, Meowth. All right, well, that is it for this. At least for now. Because I do have another one. I have some more. I have this one and this one, which I got at Best Buy. And then I got another 2 more that I got at Target. So yeah, I went hunting and I got some more. But this is for part 2. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.